Welcome back to my channel, children. Now I am doing 7th class maths, powers and exponents chapter. In that I am doing laws of exponents. What are the laws that we have studied in the previous topic? The first one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. This we have studied. And the second one is you have studied a to the power of m whole to the power of n is a to the power of mn. And the third one is we have studied a to the power of m into b to the power of n is equal to ab ab whole to the power of a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Both base power should be same. Ab whole to the power of m. This we have studied in the previous class. Now you have started do these sums basing on this third property. Let us say this is simplify uh, by using a law. By using not a, we have to write the law a to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to ab whole to the power of m. So in this the first one is 2 into 3 whole to the power of 4. This can be written as 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4. Okay, 2 into 3 whole to the power of 4 is 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4. Next, second bit, x to the power of p into x to the power of p into y to the power of p. See, here, see they have given this and they asked you this. Here, they have given this part. Now we have to write this. Bases, powers are same. So we will be writing x into y whole to the power of p. Okay, now the third bit, a to the power of 8 into b to the power of 8. Again, this way they have given. This is nothing but a into b whole to the power of 8. Into means even you can keep dot, children. It is not necessary that you have to keep multiplication sign. When letters are there, numbers, you have to. Okay. Next, fourth bit, 5 to the power of 5 into 4 whole to the power of 11. This can be written as 5 to the power of 11 into 4 to the power of 11. So, this is how they are only asking to simplify. They are not asking to evaluate. If they say evaluate, you can determine the answer for it. But here only you have to only use the formula and write it in that way, simplifying. So these are the answers for do this sums, children. Please note it down. Now the next part of it, children, division of exponents. In this division of exponents, first we will talk about negative exponents. Negative exponents means you will be having exponents with a negative sign. So suppose you have got 2 to the power of minus 4. Power is minus. This should be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 4. This becomes positive when you write reciprocal of it. 5 to the power of minus 2. That means what? 1 by 5 square. So this is the property that you should understand. When power is having a negative sign, you have to write reciprocal of this and then make the power as positive. Therefore, what is the law you are getting? The law is a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. So this is the first one. So basing on this, you have got do this sums, children. So let me do this sums. The first one, the question is write the following. Write the following by using a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n with positive exponent. See children, in this case, exponent was negative. We have converted into positive exponent by writing the reciprocal of it. So this is what he is asking you to do it. The first bit is x to the power of minus 7. So you will be writing x as 1 by x to the power of 7. That is first bit. Second bit, a to the power of minus 5 means 1 by a to the power of 5. And third bit, 7 to the power of minus 5. 1 by 7 to the power of 5. And fourth bit, 9 to the power of minus 6, 1 by 9 to the power of 6. So these are the answers in do this children. Please note it down. When you have powers as minus, you have to write the reciprocal and make it positive. Now the next part is zero exponent children. Zero exponent means suppose you have got 5 to the power of 0. It should be considered as 1. Any base with power 0 is considered as 1. P to the power of 0 is 1. T to the power of 0 is 1. We will everything, any number. So what you are getting the law? A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This is the law that you are getting in this case. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. Next, there is a C part in it. Division of exponents. Division of exponents having same base. Division of exponents having same base. So let us see that example 11. Example 11, it is 7 to the power of 7 by 7 to the power of 3. Okay, now you have got a problem 7 to the power of 7 by 7 to the power of 3. This means 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by here 3 times 1, 2, 3. So 1 7 1 7 1 7 1 7 1 7 1 7 will get cancelled. So what are you getting? 7 1 2 3 4. 7 to the power of 4. See, we see children, 7 minus 3 is 4. Therefore, 7 to the power of 7 by 7 cube is nothing but 7 to the power of 7 minus 3, that is 7 to the power of 4. You can do this sum so simply in this way instead of doing this. But first when we do it, you will understand this. Please note it down. I will do the next part, example 12. Now example 12 is 3 to the power of 8 by 3 cube. This means children, 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times by 3 to the power of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 3. So how much are you getting? 3 to the power of 5. 5 times, no? So therefore 3 to the power of 8 by 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 8 minus 3, that is 3 to the power of 5. Now let us go for example 13. In this example 13, you have got 5 to the power of 5 by 5 to the power of 8. 5 to the power of 5 by 5 to the power of 8. So how are you going to get this? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you are getting cancelled. So numbers are getting cancelled. 5 fives are getting cancelled. So we are getting 1 by 5 cube. So what you can say, 5 to the power of 5 by 5 to the power of 8 is equal to 1 by 5 to the power of 8 minus 5. Why did I write so? Because in the denominator the number is more than numerator. Here in the numerator is more than denominator, so only numerator we have written. Here denominator is having more values, so you are writing denominator. In the denominator reciprocal 1 by you are writing. This is nothing but 1 by 5 cube. This can also be basing on this earlier property which we have studied, children. This can also be taken as 5 to the power of minus 3. Next, example 14. Example 14 is a square by a to the power of 7. So as I said, first we multiply a into a by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 a's will get cancelled. You are getting 1 by a to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are getting a to the power a square by a to the power of 7 is equal to 1 by a to the power of 7 minus 2, 1 by a to the power of 5. So this is what you are getting, children. So basing on this, you are getting a law. What is the law that we are getting? I am writing here. What is the law? A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. This is the law which we have got basing on this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, example 15. 4 to the power of 4 cube by 4 cube. 4 cube by 4 cube. How will you write it? 4 into 4 into 4 by 4 into 4 into 4. How much are you getting? These all are cancelling. You are getting this. So basing on the law, we know that a to the power of m by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. Therefore, 4 cube by 4 cube, if you take 4 to the power of 3 minus 3, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 4 to the power of 0, it is nothing but 1. So when you have same powers, exponents are same, you can use this property. And one more example I think we have got. Uh, this is, okay, this one only. You don't have any other example, though this we are having. So basing on this, what is the law you are saying? A to the power of m by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m minus m, that is a to the power of 0, that is 1. So when you are dividing, if bases exponents are same, your answer is 1. So here you have got, do this sums, children. Now let me do that. Do these sums basing on this. The first one is simplify and write in the form of a to the power of m minus n or 1 by a to the power of n minus n. So first one, 13 to the power of 8 by 13 to the power of 5. We know that a to the power of m by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. Therefore, 13 to the power of 8 by 13 to the power of 5 is 13 to the power of 8 minus 5, that is 13 to the power of 8 is the answer. Next one, 3 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 14. 3 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 14 means what you have got the law, this one, a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to 1 by a to the power of is equal to a to the power of m minus n, but this can also be written as 1 by a to the power of n minus m. N minus m. How are you getting? See, m 4 is considered as m, 14 is considered as n. So 3 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 14 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power of 14 minus 4. This form I am taking. See, earlier problem I have taken in this form. Now I am taking in this form. Why? Because denominator is more than numerator. This is equal to 1 by 3 to the power of 10. These are the 2 bits. Copy, children. I will do the second problem and do this. Now we will go for the second problem in do this. And do this second problem. Fill the appropriate number in the box. Fill the appropriate number in the box. So they have already given an example. I'll do the problems, children. 12 to the power of 12 by 12 to the power of 7 is equal to 12 to the power of a box is given, that is equal to 12 to the power of a dash. So what you will do? Bases are same divided, power should be subtracted. 12 minus 7, that is 5 is the answer. Now second bit, a to the power of 18 by a to the power of dash is equal to a to the power of dash, that is equal to a to the power of 10. Here they have given 10. 10 means what, children? We know that this is 18, but we want a to the power of 10. That means let us in the rough column take 18 minus 10 is 8. So you write here 8. So that here you will be writing a to the power of 18, a to the power of 18 minus 8. That means a to the power of 10 you will be getting. Please copy it, children. Now, now the next part, children. Example 16. This is dividing the terms with the same exponent. Both of them are having same exponent. So 7 by 4 whole to the power of 5 can be written as 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. How many times? 5 times. This means what, children? 7 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. By 4 also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Therefore, 7 by 4 whole to the power of 5 can be written as 7 to the power of 5 by 4 to the power of 5. This is example 16. Now, example 17. Example 17. What is this example 17? P by Q whole to the power of 6. Means P by Q 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. That means P how many times you have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By Q also 6 times. Therefore, P by Q whole to the power of 6 is P to the power of 6 by Q to the power of 6. This is the seventh example. So, basing on this, what is the law that you are getting? The law is A by B whole to the power of M is equal to A to the power of M by B to the power of M. This is the law which we have got by using this two examples, children. Please note it down. Now, let us say this, children. Do this sums. 5 by 7 whole cube is equal to 5 cube by dash. We know that 5 by 7 whole cube is 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7. That means what? 5 cube by 7 cube. So here what you will write? 7 cube. Numerator 5 cube is there. Here 7 cube. Next, second one. See, 3 by 2, this is what first let me take. 3 by 2, 3 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5 you have got. This can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how many times you have done? This is 5 times, this is 5 times. That means 3 by 2, 5 times you have done. So this is 5. Okay, next. 8 by 3 whole to the power of 4. 8 by 3 whole to the power of 4 means 8 by 3 into 8 by 3 into 8 by 3 into 8 by 3. That is 8 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. So here you are getting 8 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4. Next. X by y whole to the power of 11, that is x by y into x by y into x by y, so on up to 11 times. That means x to the power of 11 by y to the power of 11. So y to the power of 11 is there, x to the power of 11 you have to write. So these are this is sums, children. Now the next part of it is terms with negative base. So example 18, they are asking to evaluate all this. So 1 to the power of 4 means what, children? 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 1 any times you multiply, you'll get 1. 1 to the power of 5 also. 5 times you multiply, you'll be getting 1. 1 to the power of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also 1. Minus 1 whole square. You let minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. See, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So answer is minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Here you see minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So 1 you are getting. Minus 1 whole to the power of 5. minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 5 times. See children, minus into minus, if you go do, you will be getting plus. So plus into minus, you will be getting minus. Minus into minus, you are getting plus. Plus into minus, you will be getting minus. So minus 1. You are getting minus 1. So what are you understanding with it? We know that 1 any times multiply, you are getting 1. But here you have got minus 1. Why? When you are taking negative values, sometimes you are getting positive, sometimes you are getting negative. When are you getting positive? When are you getting negative? Carefully observe the powers. If the power is 2, if the power is 4, you are getting positive. If the power is 3, if the power is 5, you are getting negative. What is the law? Therefore, we are getting minus a whole to the power of m is equal to minus a to the power of m when m is even. Minus a whole to the power of m is equal to minus a to the power of m when m is odd. This law you should know children. Means any negative number is there with some base and power, you need to see whether the power is an even number or an odd number. If it is an even number, minus becomes plus. If it is an odd number, this minus will be existing as it is. So this is one more law children. Please note it down. Now example 19, express minus 27 by 125 in exponential form. So minus 27 by 125. You will be getting 27 if you multiply 3 times. But since you have minus here, you should keep minus. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. 125, 5 3 times if you multiply. So what are you getting? Minus 3 cube by 5 cube. This means minus 3 by 5 whole cube. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Next, do this sum, children. Write in expanded form. A to the power of minus 5. Power is minus, so we will be writing it as 1 by a to the power of 5. So expanded form is 1 by a into how many times? 5 times. That means 1 by a. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this is the expanded form of this. Next, minus a whole to the power of 4 means minus a into minus a into minus a into minus a. How many times minus a you have multiplied? 4 times. Okay, this is the expansion form, that's all. Okay, now minus 7 whole to the power of minus 5. That is 1 by minus 7 to the power of 5. This is equal to 1 by minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 5 times. That means 1 by minus 7 into 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 1 by minus 7. Expansion form. Minus a to the power of m. Minus a into minus a into minus a into so on up to m times. We don't know the number of m. So these are the expanded form of the first one. Second one, write exponential form. That means base and power. Minus 3 whole cube. 3 times you are multiplying. So minus 3 whole cube. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. minus b whole to the power of 4. Now here, my 1 by minus 2 m times means 1 by minus 2 whole to the power of m. These are the answers for this, children. Not the. So with this, I am going to conclude my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.